Hi guys, so today I want to share 3 little last minute Valentine's Day recipes you can make for your boo. They're super easy using store-bought items, no fuss. So the first thing I want to share is a cookies and cream parfait. And to make that, you're going to need some fresh diced strawberries, some Oreo cookie crumbs, some whipped topping, and some instant chocolate pudding, or whichever flavor you prefer. Now, the whole thing about making a successful parfait is you want to keep your glass nice and clean. So I'm going to go ahead and add my chocolate pudding to a little plastic baggie, my little homemade piping bag. This is going to help keep the glass nice and clean. So you're going to start off by adding some pudding to the bottom of the glass. And then you're going to add some of your whipped topping. My whipped topping looks a little runny because of all the lights I have on to record, so that's why it looks a little runny, you guys. Next, I'm going to spoon in some of those cookie crumbs. And then we're going to add some of those fresh diced strawberries. And then we're simply going to repeat it. And then we're going to go ahead and top it off with a little mini Oreo. Now tell me that doesn't look divine. So the next little dessert is super easy, you guys. We're going to make a donut strawberry shortcake. You're just going to take your favorite donut, some whipped topping, and some sliced strawberries. We're going to go ahead and cut that donut in half. And we're basically going to build a little sandwich. We're going to add some whipped topping. We're going to add our strawberries. And then a little more whipped topping. And the top half of our donut. And that's it. Look at how beautiful that is. Now for the last little recipe, we're going to make a cheesecake brownie delight. You're going to need some brownie pieces. You can either buy them pre-made from your bakery and just crumble them up, or buy a box of brownie mix and crumble it up. We're going to need some fresh diced strawberries for this. You're going to take some room temp cream cheese, blend it until it's nice and smooth, and then you're going to add in a little bit of powdered sugar to sweeten it up. You're going to blend it until it's nice and smooth again, and then you're going to fold in some whipped topping. And then that becomes your cheesecake mousse. Now, because we are going to be layering this in a glass, I'm going to add it to a little plastic baggie, aka my little piping bag. Now, just like the first dessert, you're going to take a glass and you're going to put some of your brownie pieces at the bottom. Next, you're going to add some of that cheesecake mousse, some more brownie pieces, and of course, it wouldn't be Valentine's Day without some red, so we're going to go ahead and add a little bit of those strawberries on top. Delightful. So yeah, guys, those are 3 little quick and easy desserts you can make for your boo. Yum.